Now, a lot of you were curious about the cost of ownership related to owning an electric vehicle, and today I'm here to answer your questions. Welcome to EV Everyday, and today we're diving into the world of EVs, talking about the total cost of ownership of electric scooters. Now, EVs are usually cheaper to maintain than traditional combustion engine vehicles because they have fewer moving parts and don't really require any oil changes.
In case you are wondering, the cost of running an electric scooter is shockingly low. For starters, the cost of electricity for charging an EV is always lower than the cost of petrol or diesel. Then there are the components, or rather the lack of them. EVs do not have complex engines, transmissions, or exhaust systems, which means there are fewer components that will be prone to wear and tear. This leads to lower maintenance costs for EV owners.
Now let's start with the price.
Ampere electric scooters are affordable compared to other electric scooters in the market.
Based on average riding habits, it could cost you about 15 paisa per kilometer, and in 3 years, if you ride about 30,000 kilometers, it still costs you just 4,500 rupees. Ampere also gives you free services and an extended warranty up to 5 years. Now, while we're on the topic of maintenance, the tire should always be kept at the manufacturer recommended pressures, not higher, not lower. Just keep them at the manufacturer limit and you should be good. Now, while you are out there covering some nice green miles, you can also get some cool merchandise from the Ampere store. And that's it from this episode of EV Everyday. I'll see you on the next one.